Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Toyota Tacoma emblems. First, let's prepare. You'll need a few key items: a heat gun or hair dryer, some fishing line or dental floss, and an adhesive remover. Before you begin, make sure the area around the emblem is clean and dry. Then, gently warm the emblem with your heat gun for about 30 seconds to soften the adhesive, making it much easier to work with. Now for the removal itself. Take a piece of fishing line or strong dental floss, about 2 feet long, and carefully slide it behind the emblem. Use a gentle sawing motion, working from one side to the other, to cut through the adhesive tape. Take your time with this step. Patience is key to avoiding any damage to your vehicle's paint. Once the adhesive is mostly cut, the emblem should come off easily. After the emblem is off, you'll likely have some sticky residue left behind. Don't worry, this is normal. Apply an automotive adhesive remover, like Goo Gone or another automotive adhesive remover, directly onto the residue. Let it sit for about 2 to 3 minutes to allow it to break down the adhesive. Then, using a clean, soft microfiber cloth, gently rub the area until all the sticky bits are gone. To finish up, give the area a good wash with your regular car soap and water to remove any chemical residue. Once dry, it's a great idea to apply a coat of wax or a paint sealant. This will protect the newly exposed paint and help it blend seamlessly with the surrounding finish. Take a final look to ensure everything is clean and smooth. Your Tacoma now has a sleek, emblem-free look.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.